Make Windows file and folder inaccessible with strong protection. Intouch lock. So let's dive into it. Open the Intouch lock. You can get this app to its website, or you can get it patch or some free website. You can just search in the Google Intouch lock, free download, and you can get with the free version, or you can buy this app from its app store. So click on it and put the password to open this app. It will open the interface last time you use it. First of all, go to its settings, tools and settings, put a password and then click on OK. You can make fake file or folder inaccessible. I select one folder with the name new1n and check on that file folder and then click on apply. It will make the folder inaccessible. You can get some option to work with it. You can disable desktop, you can hide desktop app, you can disable changing wallpaper, you can hide entire network icon, hide taskbar, disable taskbar. There is a lot of option you can do it. Or you can hide like drive volume also. It literally give you every single power with the lock and hiding program. You can also make it inaccessible to shut down, log on, log off, run, help, search, everything you can make inaccessible. Go to the system and you can disable register edit, disable Windows update, everything. Disable display properties, hide screenshot tab, hide background tab, disable task manager, disable changes password. On this device option, you can also block the cable Ethernet cable, or you can make the volume to remove media or insertion. And you can also lock the CD DVD flare folder, and you can make it preventable from CD removal or insertion. And in the internet, you can block the site network, alcohol, drug, or tobacco, speeches, erotic, pornography, or adult sexual material. You can block online video, TV, online chat, video, etc. In the case Intouch lock, you have a lot of management come of this application, and you can apply and make secure your computer PC more strongly. And then anyone who want to access or want to install this application, they can't, because in install section, whenever he click on install, it will appear with the password. Without password known, he can't make and install this app.